If your Nissan Frontier keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, we can fix that frustrating glitch in under 2 minutes. Over 80% of smartphone connectivity issues in modern trucks are caused by worn-out cables rather than software bugs. Let's run through the diagnostic checklist to find exactly where your Frontier's connection is breaking down. Start by clearing the handshake, forget the device on both the phone and the truck, then hard reboot the infotainment system. Inspect your hardware for these common culprits, especially non-certified cables that lack the proper data bandwidth. Verify that Siri is enabled and that CarPlay is allowed to run while your iPhone screen is locked. If you have a wireless model, interference is usually the blame, while wired models almost always suffer from physical wear. As this data shows, swapping your cable solves the problem for nearly 2/3 of all Frontier owners. If a new cable fails, try resetting your iPhone network settings and checking for the latest iOS stability patches. Keep a fresh Apple-branded cable and some compressed air in your glove box to maintain a clean connection. Always remember that a tiny bit of pocket lint in your phone port is more likely than a total head unit failure. With these steps, your Nissan Frontier should stay connected all the way to your destination. Drive safe.